So on our second session, we are still going to build your mindset, healthier mindset. And usually, after the first session, when you have 1 week break, there will be things happening. You will notice things that you didn't notice before. And when you come with this experience, with this knowledge, we are going to adjust how we are working, making sure that what we are doing now is just the best for you. Because as you know, we have so many layers. You discover one, you work on it, maybe there's another one, another one. So with this so many layers to us, to our behaviors, to our feelings, we are going to work again on mindset. And we are going to choose the aspect that is the most important for you. It's not me making decision. It's you, that you know yourself the best and you know what you want to change. So you are going to tell me what part of your mindset we are going to work on. And as we will be changing it, questioning it, maybe putting this in practice as well, we are going to get ready for the surgery. So consciously, you might know that there is no surgery really, but as you are preparing on session 1, preparing on session number 2, that will be like checkup first and checkup second. And then the third time when you come, you'll be ready for the third session, which will be hypnotic surgery. But before you do that, we have to make sure you are ready, you are prepared, and the mindset that you want to have and you need for that better change is there. So that's the session number 2.